The world in a wall exercise. Answer the following question. Number A. Where does Gerald hunt for animals? जेरल्ड एनिमल्स का शिकार कहाँ से करता था या फिर उन्हें कहाँ से पकड़ता था? एंड वाई इज़ इट अ गुड प्लेस टू फाइंड देम? और ये कितनी अच्छी जगह क्यों थी कि जहाँ से वो उसे चीज़ें मिल जाती थी? Gerald hunts for animals in an ancient wall. It is a good place to find animals because there live many creatures in the cracks of wall that is bulging and sagging with moisture. Another answer for the same question. Gerald hunts for animals from an ancient crumbling wall that surrounds his garden. The whole wall has cracks and there live many creatures in it. That's why it is a good place to find animals. Question B. Make two lists of animals under the following headings. Animals that Gerald finds during day, animals that Gerald finds at night, animals that Gerald finds in daytime, hunting wasps, caterpillars, spiders, flies, dragonflies, and swift wall lizards. At night time, animals that Gerald finds at night time, toads, geckos mean big lizards, toads, geckos, crane flies, moths, and rodent beetles. Explain who the following characters are and find information what happens to them in the text. We have to find these two characters, Larry and Roger, who they are and what happens with them in the text. Number 1. Larry. Larry is a Gerald's eldest brother who smokes and talks much. As Larry opened the matchbox, there were a mother scorpion and its babies, who scuttled onto the back of Larry's hand. Now Roger. Roger was a pet dog whom Gerald fed at mealtime. When Larry roared after the incident, Roger barked wildly at what happened. Gerald took the dog, Roger, for a walk on the hillside. Question D. What does Gerald think the female scorpion is wearing? जेरल्ड को क्या लगता था कि इस फीमेल स्कॉर्पियन ने मादा बिच्छू ने क्या पहना हुआ था? व्हाट गिव्स व्हाट गिव्स हर दैट अपीयरेंस? और वो जो उसने पहना हुआ था उसे कौन सी अपीयरेंस, कौन सी लुक दे रही थी? जेरल्ड थिंक्स द फीमेल स्कॉर्पियन wearing a pale fawn fur coat. Fawn mean हिरन का बच्चा. Fawn fur coat. Her baby is clinging to her back that gives her the appearance of wearing fawn fur coat. Why does Gerald forget about the scorpions? Gerald scorpions बिच्छुओं के बारे में क्यों भूल गया था after he has put them in the matchbox, जब वो उसने उन्हें मैच बॉक्स में डाल दिया था और मेंटल पीस पे रख दिया था. After joining the family for the meal, Gerald feeds Roger under the table and listening to the family arguing, so he completely forgets about the scorpions. Number F. What happens to Gerald's mother during the chaos at the end of lunch? जेरल्ड की मदर के साथ क्या वाक़या पेश आया उस सारी अफरा तफरी में, उस सारे क्योस में, जब लंच ख़त्म हो गया था? When Margot hurled a glass of water at Scorpion missed completely, but mother drenched with water. Because of cold water, she lost her breath and sat gasping. Even she was unable to protest. When there was so much chaos after the lunch, mother came to know that what's the reason for this pandemonium. She enters the room, and at that moment, Margot hurled a glass of water at Scorpion. मार्गो ने अपनी एक इन्वेंट कोशिश की कि वो स्कॉर्पियन पे एक पानी का गिलास फेंक दे. स्कॉर्पियन मिस कम्प्लीटली, लेकिन स्कॉर्पियन मिस हो गया, स्कॉर्पियन पे पानी नहीं गया. बट मदर ड्रेंच्ड विद वाटर, लेकिन मदर उस सारे पानी से भीग गई. बिकॉज ऑफ कोल्ड वाटर शी लॉस्ट हर ब्रीथ. पानी बहुत ठंडा था, इसलिए उनका सांस फूलना स्टार्ट हो गया या फिर उनको सांस लेना मुश्किल हो गया. एंड शी सेड गैस्पिंग, और वो हाँफने लगी या फिर लरजने लगी और वो बैठ गई. एंड इवन शी वाज अनएबल टू प्रोटेस्ट, और पानी इस कदर ठंडा था कि वो अनएबल टू प्रोटेस्ट, वो उनको पूछ भी ना सकें या फिर प्रोटेस्ट भी ना कर सकें कि व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न ऑफ फॉर दिस chaos. Number G. Why does Gerald stay away from the family in the afternoon? The family is very angry, or we can say family was, but the question is in present tense, we will answer it in present. The family is very angry. Maybe mother scold him and blame him. So after this worst incident, Gerald wants to give them a break and stays away in the afternoon. The repercussion of the incidents. इस तमाम हादसात के नताइज क्या थे? The repercussion of the incident that Larry develops a phobia about matchboxes, and the worst of the whole, Mother stops him from exploring the animal worlds. Gerald loves animals so much and he loves to explore animals every time. So mother stops Gerald from exploring the animal world. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Number I. Why do you think that this chapter is called The World in a Wall? हमें ऐसे क्यों लगता है कि राइटर ने इस चैप्टर का नाम द वर्ल्ड इन अ वॉल क्यों रखा या फिर क्यों है? So here is the answer. In that wall, which is a crumbling ancient wall, there were so many different kinds of creatures, divided into day and night workers, the hunters and the hunted. Hunters and hunted शिकारी भी थे और शिकार करने वाले भी थे. So that's why the chapter is called The World in a Wall. क्योंकि उस वॉल में जो कि उनके गार्डन में थी उसमें हर किस्म के क्रिएचर्स रहते थे. इंसेक्ट्स, वी कैन से इंसेक्ट्स, spiders, moths, dragonflies, everything, lizards, scorpions. So there are so many things, so many creatures that lived in there. We can say there was a world of the creatures that were there in the wall. So that's why the chapter is called The World in a Wall. Work with others to fill in the Venn diagram below with the names of the creatures mentioned in the story. So here are, there is Venn diagram. It has three parts. In first there is prey. Prey mean जो शिकार होता है या शिकार बनता है, and the predators जो शिकार करता है. And here we will write who who is also a prey, and who is a predator, and also he is a prey of some other animals. So in prey we will write crane flies, moths, beetles, caterpillars, flies, toads, geckos, wasps, wall lizards, spiders, dragonflies. These are predators because ये शिकार करते थे इन सब चीज़ों का और स्पाइडर का भी. But there is only thing that was discussed in the text. There is only a spider who prey the other animals and spiders. So about spider we can say the hunting wasps search out caterpillars and spiders. Hunting wasp जो थी वो भी spiders को खाती थी या उनको सर्च करती रहती थी. And the spider hunted for flies. And again यहाँ spider के बारे में बताया गया. Spider hunted for flies और spider flies को hunt करता था. So we can write the spider in there. So spider is prey and as long as he is a predator. Answer the following question with reference to the context. Reference, here is a reference from the text. We have to answer all these questions according to this context. I completely forgot about my exciting new captures. So question A, who forgot and what distracted him? कौन भूल गया था और अगर भूल गया था तो क्या चीज़ थी वो? Gerald forgot and feeding Roger. Gerald भूल गया था and why he was what distracted him? Feeding Roger and listening family arguing. Feeding Roger and listening family arguing distracted him. Number B. Why did he capture the creatures? Why did he capture the creatures? उसने creatures को क्यों पकड़ा या फिर क्यों उन्हें capture किया? Gerald captured the creatures to keep them at home and watch them to grow. जेरल्ड कैप्चर द क्रिएचर टू कीप देम। जेरल्ड ने उन्हें रखने के लिए, अपने पास पालने के लिए, रखने के लिए उन्हें कैप्चर किया, पकड़ा। एट होम, घर पर रखने के लिए उन्हें पकड़ा। जेरल्ड ने उन्हें अपने घर पर रखने के लिए, अपने साथ रखने के लिए पकड़ा। एंड वॉच देम टू ग्रो, और उन्हें इसलिए कि उन्हें देखे कि वो किस तरह से बड़े होते हैं। नंबर सी, वेयर वर द कैप्चर्ड क्रिएचर्स? We can say the captured creatures were in the matchbox. Captured creatures were in the matchbox. Number D, what happens next? फिर उस सब के बाद क्या होता है? Captured creatures made everyone afraid, so Jared released them on the garden wall. Captured creature से हर कोई खौफज़दा हो जाता है, इसलिए जेरल्ड गार्डन के वॉल में दोबारा छोड़ आता है।